I really wanted to gather actually all the actors of art science residencies today in a symposium where they could exchange practice, best practice, and also maybe some material. In the end, my wish is to gather a network of organizers so as we can share some isolated tasks like curating, like following or communicating on these art science residencies. So I'm very proud because we had actually I get very excited by these 2 days. We made a symposium. We call it Symposium Art Science Residencies, and we gather actors from all over the world coming here and sharing their own experiences. And well, it's a bit fresh because we just finished these 2 intense days. But what I found out is that, of course, it was consensual because we are all convinced about art science interrelationships and needs, especially for innovation or for education. But so even if it was consensual, I think it was necessary actually, because we are all struggling in our own institution to make this program existing, and l'union fait la force, gathering together to be able to show to our institutions that there are other initiatives that are working elsewhere is really important. At the end, what I wish is to offer also for the artists some kind of place where they can see all these activities, as it is a lot related to artistic research. I think we have to define a place for and structure a place. This institution has to work together to structure a future and a place for artistic research connected to the sciences.